Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Petilil. To begin, you'll need to head to the Crimson Mirelands. This powerful Pokémon makes its home in a very specific spot within that region, known as the Home of Trials. However, it won't just appear there right away. There's a crucial step you must take first to ensure its presence. Let's dive into what you need to do. Before Alpha Petilil will show up, you need to complete Request 63, titled Coming Up Roses. This particular request is straightforward and involves catching a standard Petilil for a character. Once you successfully finish this task, the Alpha Petilil will finally appear in the Home of Trials, ready for you to encounter. Make sure to complete this step first. When you find Alpha Petilil, approach it with caution. These powerful Pokémon are often aggressive, so try to sneak up on it from behind for a surprise catch attempt. Use a Great Ball or an Ultra Ball for the best chance of success. If stealth fails, engage in battle to weaken it, perhaps lowering its health to 1/4 and inflicting a status condition like sleep or paralysis. Congratulations on catching your Alpha Petilil. These special Pokémon boast significantly higher base stats compared to their regular counterparts, making them a valuable addition to your team. You can evolve your Alpha Petilil into the elegant Hisuian Lilligant by using a Sun Stone. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your powerful new ally.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.